In the 2026 backpacking market, the anti-gravity promise is the industry benchmark for comfort. But for the high-mileage trekker, the standard chassis often carries a mass penalty that compromises overall efficiency. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a laboratory audit of the Atmos AG-LT65. We analyzed its 4mm peripheral frame, injection molded ladder adjustment, and chassis ventilation flux. The system's heartbeat is the AG suspension. By extending the tensioned mesh from the back panel directly into the hip belt, the LT creates a continuous detection envelope that effectively decouples the load from the user's primary skeletal structure. Precision is a function of fit-on-the-fly engineering. We audited the injection molded ladder system, verifying that the 5 defined torso slots maintain a zero slip lock under a 40-pound load cycle, 18 kilograms. We measured airflow saturation. The suspended mesh back panel creates a high-flow cavity that maintains a consistent vapor flux, reducing localized lumbar temperatures by approximately 15% compared to standard foam contact designs. We audited the chassis density. By utilizing 210 denier recycled nylon on the body and a 500 denier base, the LT sheds a half-pound of mass while maintaining the structural integrity required for high abrasion environments. Our audit confirms, the Atmos AG-LT65 is the streamlined standard. For the trekker who requires a 40-pound load limit and elite tier ventilation, it is a verified mechanical asset for the 2026 season. Don't just carry a pack, manage the gravity. In the workshop of the trail, the Atmos AG-LT is the only currency that translates mass into a floating sensation. See the full load deflection logs in our 2026 backpack rankings at hikegearguide.com. Look for the Atmos AG-LT technical audit.